Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie, your appearance confidence therapist. On this channel, you'll get information about overcoming appearance insecurity and enhancing your natural beauty every week. Today I want to talk about something you might have heard about, the beauty benefits of banana peels. You've probably seen many people online talking about using banana peels for skincare. While it's a popular topic, I personally don't use DIY skincare methods like this because I find them not effective enough. Let me explain why and share my thoughts. Banana peels are often touted for their skincare benefits, but they're not as effective as professional treatments. While banana peels do contain vitamins and antioxidants, the concentration of these nutrients is not high enough to make a significant impact on your skin. Professional skincare products and treatments are formulated with higher concentrations of active ingredients that are more effective. People use banana peels in various ways for skincare. For example, some people believe that rubbing the inside of a banana peel on their skin can help with moisturizing and reducing acne. Here's how they do it. First, they wash their face to remove any dirt or makeup. Then they take a ripe banana peel and rub the inside gently on their skin, focusing on areas with acne or dryness. They massage the peel in circular motions for about 5 minutes. After that, they leave it on for another 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, they rinse off their face with warm water and pat it dry. But from my experience, a good quality moisturizer with hyaluronic acid or ceramides is far more effective at hydrating your skin. Similarly, for acne, treatments with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide provide better results because they are specifically formulated to target these issues. So, while banana peels can be a fun DIY experiment, they're not a substitute for professional skincare products and treatments. For lasting appearance confidence, it's important to use products that truly work for your skin. Next, let's talk about teeth whitening. Again, banana peels are often recommended for this, but let's dive into the details. Using banana peels to whiten your teeth is a popular idea, but it's not very effective. If you're a dentist and believe banana peels are as good as professional dental products, let me know in the comment section. The minerals in banana peels, like potassium and magnesium, are present in small amounts and are unlikely to make a noticeable difference in the color of your teeth. Here's how people typically use banana peels for teeth whitening. After brushing their teeth, they take a piece of banana peel and rub the inside on their teeth. They rub the peel on their teeth for about 2 minutes. Then they let it sit for another 10 minutes. Finally, they rinse their mouth thoroughly with water. However, for effective teeth whitening, professional treatments like whitening strips, gels, or dental procedures are much more reliable. For example, a whitening toothpaste with baking soda and peroxide can help remove surface stains more effectively than rubbing a banana peel on your teeth. So, while it might be fun to try, banana peels are not the best option for whitening your teeth. True appearance confidence comes from using reliable methods that give you visible results. Now, if you're someone who can't afford skincare products, or if you just want to try something fun, using banana peels can be an option. Banana peels can be a fun and affordable DIY skincare option. Many people buy bananas regularly, and instead of throwing away the peels, you can use them for a fun skincare experiment. It's a zero-waste option that might be enjoyable to try. For example, you can use banana peels to gently rub on your skin for a quick moisturizing boost. Here's how. Take the inside of a ripe banana peel and gently rub it on your clean face. Focus on dry areas or places where you have acne. Massage it in circular motions for a few minutes, then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry. Or, you can try the teeth whitening method for a week to see if you notice any changes. After brushing your teeth, rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. It's also a great way to introduce kids to simple, natural skincare without using any harsh chemicals. While it's not a replacement for professional products, using banana peels can be a fun and budget-friendly way to explore skincare. Even small steps like these can contribute to your appearance confidence. In summary, banana peels have some interesting uses, but they aren't a replacement for professional skincare and dental products. However, they might be fun to try if you're looking for a budget-friendly option and a way to boost your appearance confidence. Banana peels have various uses, but they aren't a substitute for professional treatments. The concentration of beneficial nutrients in banana peels is not high enough to match the effectiveness of professional products. Whether it's for skincare or teeth whitening, there are more effective professional options available. But banana peels can be a fun, budget-friendly experiment. If you disagree with me and think banana peels or other DIY natural skincare products are better than lab-made products, or that skincare products for sale are scams, feel free to let everyone know in the comments section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on embracing your unique beauty and overcoming appearance insecurity. Remember, it's always best to use professional products for the best results, but sometimes simple things like banana peels can still have their place in boosting your confidence.